If you love nutmeg and cream textured bundles that already feel coordinated and ready to use, keep watching. This 5-piece fabric bundle of 8 by 10-inch cuts builds into a much richer reveal as each piece comes forward. It includes a multicolored weave with the colors of nutmeg, cream, beige. You can see a close-up of that. Now this will be the piece that ties all of the following pieces together. Okay. The next piece, this is a lightweight raw silk in kind of a beige color. It's a close-up of the texture. Same on the back, so either side will work. And let's put that next to our first piece so you can see how well those two work together. So that's bringing out the lighter color. Our next piece is a boucle fabric. It's kind of a looped weave. You see the texture of that? Really nice. Kind of a uniform in lined up, where regular boucle is more abstract. This is in rows, as you can see. That's the back. Now let's put this piece. Look at those together. Okay. And our next piece is a cream colored coarsely woven silk blend. And you can see the variation of textures. This does have some type of stabilizer on the back. It's kind of a medium weight fabric. Okay, let's put that with our bundle. Okay. Put that there so you can see the difference in the colors. So there is a difference in the colors there. And our last piece, this is a piece you would not typically find in a bundle. This is a really nice high-end faux leather in a nutmeg or saddle type color. Look at the texture of that. This is the back, is kind of a felt back. And it's soft. Kind of a medium to heavy, well, heavier weight. But it is really soft. And let's put that together. And that finishes out our bundle. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.